Welcome to GMC Machine Tools, quality equipment that you can trust. Here we have the GMC lathe model GML-26120. It is a heavy-duty precision gap bed lathe which comes equipped with a 4 1/8" spindle bore, 26-inch swing, and 120-inch center distance, and includes a Sino digital readout and installed taper attachment. This machine is ISO 9001 certified and has a heavy-duty spindle D18, which is balanced, hardened, and precision ground. It is powered by a heavy-duty 15-horsepower industrial motor in either 220 volts or 440 volts 3-phase and has a quick change gearbox with fast and easy threading setup. This unit comes with 54 variations of inch threads and 54 variations of metric threads and a thread chasing dial. It has an automatic lubrication system in the headstock, feed gearbox, and comes with standard accessories such as coolant system, halogen working light, and chuck guard with safety shutoff. One 7.5-inch steady rest, one 15-inch steady rest, and 3-inch follow rest. 12-inch 3-jaw chuck, 16-inch 4-jaw chuck, foot pedal brake, full-length splash guard, a 4-way tool post, and is backed by a 1-year factory warranty for parts. This lathe will make a great addition to any facility or shop. GMC has been in business for over 20 years and has sold thousands of lathes that are currently in the production field today. We have a large inventory of machines in stock for quick delivery and also have on-site factory tech support as well as a full parts department, so you'll never have to worry about production downtime. To find out more about this or any of our other products, or to receive a free quote, just give us a call at 909-947-7787. On behalf of GMC Machine Tools, we thank you for watching.